Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your brand assets with Frontify Collections, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your brand assets using Frontify Collections, first, log into your Frontify account. Once logged in, navigate to the Collections section in the left sidebar. Click on the Create Collection button to start a new backup. Give your collection a meaningful name that reflects its contents and purpose. Select the appropriate asset types to include in your collection. You can choose from images, logos, fonts, or any other brand-related materials. After selecting your asset types, proceed to upload your files. Simply drag and drop your assets into the designated upload area. Alternatively, you can click the Upload button to browse your file folders. Once the assets are uploaded, review all files for accuracy. Make sure to add relevant tags and descriptions to each asset for easier organization. You can organize your assets into folders within the collection for better structure. To do this, click on the Add Folder option and name your folder accordingly. Now, drag and drop your assets into the respective folders. If you wish to share your collection, click on the Share button. Here, you can set permissions for viewers and collaborators. You can also generate a shareable link for easy distribution. After completing your collection, click on the Save button to finalize everything. Your brand assets are now backed up and organized in Frontify Collections. To access your collection later, simply return to the Collections section. Regularly update your collection to ensure all new assets are included. Consider scheduling reminders to review and maintain your backup routine. Using Frontify Collections streamlines your brand asset management process effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.